know you mean well in all way you do. And you live up to your responsibilities. But you don't want to compromise which part she go.
I gotta fix things, man.
How's she doing?
Well, them say she have some things named adenoids. I block her from breathe properly. And them have to go do a surgery to get it fixed.
Okay. So when she gonna do the surgery?
Them say in August, you know.
So you're good with funds?
Yeah, man, bossy. You have it covered. Thanks for that. You know, I'm glad to say I get to see her even though she did asleep.
At the best time for see her when she asleep. You can't allow her to get too attached to you. Not until you free up a certain kind of way. But you know though, sister would have proud of you. Best uncle in the world.
Boy, bossy, kind of feel like I let down my sister, you know. Because I never did a fear when she did need me. So you know, say now, my foot up on gas. I have to make sure say our daughter get all of what she need, whenever she need it.
Proper way. But here what? Stop turning off your burner phone.
Alright, bossy. I make sure it's up and running again, fully charged. But speaking of burner phone, remember say Tony need one. And you know some I go around at the shop where I see some movements from I like. Otherwise from Karima Prima for Tony and I see Savage turn up at the shop when me leave. And I see Tony and confront him. But the way there, how she confront him, it wasn't digesting for Savage. Because when she leaves Savage there, Savage never looked pleased. Plus, I say quick foot forward at the shop too. And it looked like him and Savage in a same flame movements, because I see them attack some type of way against each other with. I not hear clear, but I see the movements and I see the face them look like something I got jump off.
Whisper, Savage look like him involved in some shit where way above him pay grade. Me I hear say a retired senior superintendent get shut up in New York. A Savage name I call upon it. My concern, however, is what kind of business Tony and have with Savage.
Why, bossy? I think you need to have a talk with her. Because she have a serious problem with her body language. It always I go give her away. Because me just a see it for myself. I'm there from a distance, so imagine if I did there closer.
Alright, I'm going to give her a talk. Because I need to know what kind of involvement she and Savage in.
Alright, boss. So, away park.
Forward.
Alright.
Yes, sir.
Carefully. I understand that Savage has booked a flight to New York. Under no circumstances is he to be allowed to leave. I need you to go to the airport and cancel that ticket.
How I going to do that, sir?
You're an agent. Figure it out. You know exactly how to do what you want to do, don't you?
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Let me know.